Lemogi ke ya go dumediša le go amogela go lenaneo la lekgono la Leihlo La Sechaba ka leina ke nna Raymond wa Mojapelo. Dinyakišišo di bontšha gore palo ya batho bao ba hlaselwago ke kgatelelo ya monagano le letšhogo la go tsenelela e godimo kudu mo Afrika Borwa. Bodidi maemo a ikonomi ya go fokola di dira gore go be thata le go feta go fitlhelela kalafo. Good evening. Research shows that the prevalence of depression and anxiety is very high in South Africa. Poverty and socio-economic conditions exacerbate access to treatment.
Batho ba bangata mo Afrika Borwa ba na le matshwao a lefu la kelello ba sa elellwe.
We have a 24-hour helpline, 365 days a year.
And a lot of people, specifically in Black societies, we overlook this concept and we think it's just a matter of, the person's being dramatic or the person is just faking it.
South African Depression and Anxiety Group ke mokgatlo o sa etseng phaello. O theilwe ka selemo sa 1994 ho thusa ma-Afrika Borwa a hlokang thuso mahaleng. Leihlo La Sechaba le etsetse di-ofisi tsena ho utlwa haholwanyane ka mosebetsi o ba o etsang.
We are the leading organization in terms of talking about issues of mental health. How tlhokomela jwang mafu a kelello. So we provide that counseling, that safe space where people can reach out to us anytime.
Kgwedi ya Phupu e hlwailwe e le ya ho etsa tlhokomediso ka mahloko a kelello. SADC e bapala tema ya bohlokwa letsholong lena.
Bohlokwa go create this awareness gore bontsi ba batho they suffer in silence. As men, we are 4 times likely to die by suicide than our female counterparts, and which means and but so we create that awareness but we can be with the right medication and awareness.
Kgatello ya maikutlo le letshoho le kenelletseng ke a mang a mahloko a thefulang ma-Afrika Borwa a mangata.
Mafu a kelello a atileng ke mafu a kgatello ya maikutlo, which is depression, le tshebediso e mpe ya dithethefatsi, which is substance abuse, and then le letshoho, anxiety. Ke mafu are very prevalent in our country, le bo bipolar. Bongata ba rona re na le bua ka bipolar ka re ke condition it is very far-fetched ba ka re ke le tebo go bua ha o ke na le bipolar. I am not realizing that somebody struggling with bipolar o na le a mood disorder. O thola a tenehile a sa tsebo tenwa ke eng or o thola a le depressed a sa tsebo ro depressed again. So they are farologana but ke yona e leng prevalent mo Afrika Borwa malwetse ao.
Mental health is very crucial for someone who has been diagnosed with clinical depression, who's been on medication for it. It's not an easy thing, and a lot of people, specifically in Black societies, we overlook this concept and we think it's just a matter of, the person's being dramatic or the person is just faking it.
Maemo a moruo ka hare ho naha a bakela batho kgatello ya maikutlo.
Mathata a moruo a gatella batho hore ba ka gona thola di-services ko di-clinicing or ko dipetlele. So ina le impact o le o hlalositse hore go sa bereke eo ka affecta hore motho a bana le kgatello ya maikutlo a ifitlela le na le depression. So re lemogile hore moruo le ona o na le impact ka re bontsi ba bangata ba re founela ba tlhakisa mabaka a ba bang ba bua hore ba mokgata dikoloto ba kolota bo matshonisa kila bona hore then go na le bolwetse ba bona bo gambling le tsona di ba on the rise. So the economic pressure ile ona e bana le seabe gore batho ba ngata ba iphitlhela ba le mogata sa kgatelelo ya malwetse a kelello. Re na le challenge mo Afrika Borwa when it talks to taba mental health, as you highlighted, since 94 to now. It's been 32 years, but mmuso lona wa leka ho bua nnete hore o tshwarisane go etsa that awareness. So we're saying batho ha ba sena di-resources ba re letsetse le hona re bone gore thusana jwang as re tlhalositse hore re bereka le mafapha a farologaneng gore thuso re ka motholla yona jwang gore re mo lebise kae. So yona re na le yona thuso re ka e fang batho le maele re ka fang batho.
mohala wa thekeng kapa yona cell phone ke tsela ya bophelo. Batho ba bangata ba e sebedisetsa ho iphedisa, empa ba bang ba e sebedisa hampe.
Social media or marangrang e se re bua ka yona ke ntho e re lemohileng re le lefapha la SADC hore e na le a huge impact mo bathong. O fitlhela batho re a ke re ne ke bile gore go na le sara motho o robala gagolo or sokola o robala. So o fitlhela motho a le nako ya o robala ha sa robala mo marangrang, and that affectang mental health ya hae. Ha e tshwantse a tsohe a ye mosebetsing or a ye sekolong ha sa hona ka gore o kgathetse bosiu kaofela e be e shape bo 1 o'clock ya matsha. So marangrang le mohile gore batho le batjha ke bona ba amehang haholo le hore ba lebella ba hotsi ba tswalle hore motswalle o ko kae ke le bona ba shoota di content tsa bona. So le mohile hore marangrang a na le impact hore e fokoditse le nako e batho ba le lapa ba dulang fatshe ba qoqa ba botsana hore tsatsi la one le jwang ka tjeno re phela re ka dula mo tafoleng re tutsia mara re phela re mo fono. Ene mohlala o mong ke na le ho bona hore batho ba le hore ba le mo ntlong phapusing e one o mong a le ka kamoreng o mong a le ko dining room o fitlhela o mong o mo founela le ka kamoreng a re sa hweletsa just to show there's a point of life. So we realize marangrang affect mental health ke ntho re se re phela ka yona, mme ho bohlokwa hore batho le bona ba lemohe hore ho bohlokwa hore o ba ne ntho e reng o fokotsa nako e spendang mo marangrang. Le na le taba tsa bo di-bullying tse etsahalang kae mo marangrang o le hore bana ba banyane be getting suicide cases or they are being bullied le ko meberekong or no are being bullied mo marangrang. But so how are you able to protect? So re le mo le hore le yona ina le karolo e kgolo e bapala mo Afrika Borwa.
Yeah, everything is being put on display on social media. Harmful things are there, cyberbullying, a lot of trolls, and also some people like living lavish life. Not that there's nothing wrong with living a lavish life. It's just that comparison hits, and especially as the youth, I'm not saying everyone, but most of the time we look at what is being portrayed on social media and we're like, why not me?
Palo e kgolo ya batjha ba qetileng dithuto tsa bona empa ba sa fumane mosebetsi ke bothata bo boholo.
I think that, amongst other factors, contribute very, very much to people having mental issues, especially amongst the youth. As a youth myself, I did experience a time of serious unemployment and no business idea was working, no application was being called. I was literally like in the pits. But my advice to people is do not give up. I know things may seem tough right now, but trust me, there is something and it will come. If you want to start that business, start that business. If you want to get that job, get that job. Finish that degree. Do not look at what's happening around you. You can be the change.
SADC e fumana mehala e ka bang 3,000 ka letsatsi.
Ka letsatsi if nka botsa ra mogela close to 1.5 to 3,000 calls per day. So this is gore batho ba ngata ba hloka thuso a ba tse gore ba ka ya lebisa ho kae ka gore ha re checka gore batho ba le di-psychologist, di-social worker ba imetse ka re ya thuso batho ba batla thuso ka bontsi ene ba thata mang a hloka gore fela motho ka bua le ena a mo mamele mo mohaleng. So re a mogela close to 1.5 to 3,000 calls ka letsatsi. So which means dikete tsa Afrika Borwa di a re letsetsa ba re sebedisa mohala wa rona gore ba buisane le di-counselor tsa rona tse di trained.
SADC na le baithaopi ba amohelang mehala bosiu le motshehare. Olwethu ke mookamedi wa sebaka sena.
So I am the call center supervisor at SADC, and my role is to mainly support, mentor, and lead the counselors that you see on the helplines. When they are talking to the people who call in, I need to be there to ensure that they are okay, their mental well-being, as well as the well-being of the people that they are speaking to. So I need to ensure that the call is going okay, that they are producing the sort of training that we have given them, and ensuring that the callers on the other end of the line are okay, and that when the counselors are done with that call, that they feel okay and they feel equipped to pick up the next call and help the next person. It is overwhelming when we are truthful, but it also makes us happy that we are getting this volume of calls, because what we are looking for is mainly the quantity. We are looking for people who are coming in to speak about their issues, to talk about what is going wrong in their lives, so that we are able to alleviate it, even though it's not to remove the whole effect, but it's to ensure that there's hope instilled in them. Call volumes, overwhelming, but are we happy about it? Yes, because that is the integrity of our work. That is the core of the work that we do. We want people to reach out because we're trying to break the stigma, and we're trying to ensure that people do not feel that they need to sit with the mental health issues that they have. So when they call in, we're happy, overwhelming as it can be. Shockingly, people don't feel the need to hide their identity, because they are speaking to a stranger that they may not see, that they may not interact with. They feel a lot more comfortable revealing every single aspect of their lives, because they know that they have nothing to lose. And if there is something to lose, they need to hold on to it at this current point in time. So they're very open with who they are, and they're very open with their stories as well. So there's no need to euphemize or to sugarcoat what it is that they're going through, because they're speaking to someone who is in a position to be unbiased and is in a position to support. They are very welcoming and very open to speaking to us.
Tell us about instances where you've referred people for further assistance. Like, most of the time, who do you refer them to, and what would the circumstances have been?
So we have a referral guide that we internally have, that we've collected of other NGOs, of other public sector organizations that assist people with their mental health, private institutions and the sorts. We've got an entire referral guide that we are using. And like you said, it is circumstantial. So based on what the person is currently going through is what they're going to be referred to. What we teach at SADAG, and the ethos of the referrals at SADAG, is that they need to be holistic. So when we are giving a referral, we need to identify what the issues are so that they point to the issues themselves. We don't just give one referral and hope that it's going to do every single thing, but we give multiple referrals, things like self-help tips, to help them sort of alleviate the pressure and the stress on their own at home, as well as a referral that's going to help them on a more professional basis, whether this is a registered counselor, it's a psychologist, it's a government hospital, it's a clinic. We try to be as holistic as possible to address every single issue that the person has raised to us.
Hangata batho ba kgetha ho se bue ha ba na le mahloko a amang kelello, hobane ba kgethollwa.
Re lemohile hore lefapha la SADC hore go na le kgethollo e ngata, which brings back to conversation re bone le yona earlier on ka awareness. Ka re go na le seng e ke ratang ba re go like go sa tsebe o ngazo fanno ngabone ka zo ba bua ka zo, so tsana like motho sa bone. So we've seen hore mo community ya rona kgethollo e ngata, and go na le ditlhong gore ke ntse letsogo gore ke na le kgatello ya kelello, and ke mafu le reng a teng mo gara rona kaofela. And re bone ha re tswa go di post covid gore these things di available, kgatello ya kelello e teng. So go botlhokwa gore re fetse that stigma, gore re kgone gore batho ba kgone bona gore a gona kgatello, motho o nang le lefu la kelello a ka phela tshwana le mang le mang, le nna le wena.
Tshehetso ya ba malapa le metswalle e bohlokwa haholo.
Nako ntse ngata motho o phitlhela le mo monaganong a le one, mathata a fitlha motshehare, a fitlha bosigo. Sa bosigo re sa gona le mafapha tshwana le SADC gore o bua le mang ha mathata a fitlha, ka re bosigo wa 2 o'clock ha bothata bo fitlha o ka se founele mogotsi, o ka se founele ba lesika. But go botlhokwa gore ba lesika le bona ba kgone gore ba mogele, ba tshehetse motho o na le lefu la kelello, ka re e ba itse gore ba bona gore ga ba atlholwe or ga ba lebelelwe gore ba fapane le batho ba bang ba setšhaba.
It is very important that you inform your family, like even if it's like you don't tell them everything at once. If you tell them like a bit by bit, like hey, today I'm having a bad day, or I didn't do well on my test, small things. And then over sometimes it will build into a pattern where you get comfortable of opening up to a point where, not saying they will know everything about you, but they will know at least enough to know that when you're okay, when you're not okay. And for those who, not saying you have problems with family, but if you feel like you can't really open up to family, there are very helpful institutions available, landlines you can call. Some of them are free, the government provided, where you can talk to someone, even if it's your friend or a teacher. It doesn't have to be family specifically, but someone to talk to. It does help to talk to someone.
SADC e sebetsa mmoho le mekgatlo e ikemetseng le dipetlele tsa mmuso.
Ka re councilor ke a mohala re berekisana le di-NPO le mafapha di-clinic dipetlele le di-organizations tsa mmuso gore re kgone go create that awareness gore we believe our communication e thoma ka rona mme a tshwanela gore e felele ka rona. That's why re refera anywhere in the country gore motho a tlhoka thuso re no gona le clinic e itseng ka mane ka Bethlehem for example, or go na le clinic tse itseng ka Mophokeng mo le gore motho a ka kgona go thola thuso. Re berekisana le di-NPO le dipetlele le dipleke tsa mmuso.
Marangrang a na le mahlakore a mabedi. Ha o le sebedisa hantle e etsa mosebetsi o motle, empa ha o e sebedisa hampe e ama wena le batho ba bang.
Marangrang or social media ke another part ya bophelo ba hao. It's not your identity. It's a media life. Ha re ka tlhalosa motho o nang le depression e o tlhalositse motho o nang le kgatelelo ya maikutlo o tlhaeletse motho o tshwanang le nna di we ke apereng ka teng ke motho a ka re monna ke thabile mara ka hare e gore stuck ho boima. So batho ba bangata re le mo hore ha ba ya marangrang ke a way of trying to motivate or wearing a mask of what's actually happening ka mo hare ha yena. So motho o nang depression ha ona ntho e monate felang. That's why la ka apara la ka etsang a shoota marangrang, we still have to find out gore motho o etsahalang ka yena hantle. So le mo le gore batho ba ngata they would use marangrang just to put on that mask or everything is okay, but only to find out or actually it's not how it looks. So Leona, it's important gore re SABC responsibly marangrang gore re le batho re how se re rata re le batho ba se sharp ba kgone gore ba tlhagise gore no ke tswile ke se hantle.
I was in a dark space for a really, really long time where I thought that this was it. And there was constant back and forth with God, constant back and forth with my family, and I felt like no one really understood me. Until I reached a point where I'm like, if I were to die tomorrow, yes, for me, in my mind, I feel like I'm going to end my problems, stuff like that, but what am I leaving behind? Who am I going to hurt? I'm going to hurt my mom, I'm going to hurt my sister, my friends and family, and those who care about me. And I said, that is not... it's not worth it to put people in the same pain as you, because I'm the only one in pain right now. But if me killing myself or harming myself will put even more people in pain. So that was my wake-up call, was just sitting back and analyzing my life and be like, is this what I want? Is this how my life is going to be? And it was not easy, but it took some self-talk, motivation to come out of that shell and be like, you know what? I want to live. I want to be an inspiration to people. I want to smile, even if I'm having a bad day, but I want to be like the reason why someone gets up and be like, I want to be like her. She is happy. I'm not saying fake your problems or just sweep it under the mat, no, but I want everyone to see the positivity of life. It was not easy, but we can do it. I believe we can do it.
Ebang o hloka thuso, dinomoro tsa mohala di a latela.
So we're available anywhere in the country. So Arif Man Momali, Renali offices tsa rona ka mane ka Tips Law tele Ivory Park, but due to the lot of challenges that exist, funding, we are not spread, but we're making it easy for motore la le Limpopo. Ha wana ro ona le lifu or kgatelelo ya maikutlo a re letsetse rona re tla gona re mo refere mo aleng gore a kaya kae a lebiso kae gore a fumane thuso. Go mosotho ke la re go ipaballa go feta setlhare, ba dire lefapha la SADC re a o mong mathata phela le teng le rona re teng re lefapha la SADC gore batho ba elelle gore go dila ka mental health is like how tswa o seng o sa ikutlwa gore a wa thaba go bua le motho le reng a o dumedisa o mongwe ke la re tumediso ke setlhare sa pelo. Just that greeting available on the phone, we are saying gore re available, re thuse batho gore re buisane re tshwarisane. Mental health e teng yona, mental illness conditions di teng, but ntwa tseo di re ka dilwa re tshwarisana ntse re buisana re bontshana mabaka. So ke ka kgothaletsa batho gore ba sebedise mogala wa rona o leng toll free, a o tlhoke airtime o re letsetse 24 hours neng kapa neng ba ka re letsetsa re kgone go buisana re bona re thusana jwa re tshwarisana jwa.
Ke ka fao re be gore go soretse ka gona bošegong bja lekgono boša o be le rena gape la bobedi le letlago ge nako e le iri ya seswai mathapama gona mo SABC2 o ka re ngwalela ka email go Leihlo La Sechaba @sabc.co.za go ba re ngwalela go letlakala la Leihlo La Sechaba go Facebook. Manana wa Leihlo La Sechaba a hwetšagala go YouTube. Go kwa ka lenaneo le latelago theeletša Thobela FM, Lesedi FM le Motsweding FM ka labobedi mesong. A be boroko, šalang.